If your kids are home for summer and always asking for a snack, these easy homemade chocolate cookies are a lifesaver. I like to make a batch ahead of time, so there's always something delicious ready to grab instead of everyone searching through the fridge. Let's get started. In one bowl, combine all the dry ingredients. In a separate large bowl, beat the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Crack in the eggs, add the vanilla, and mix until smooth. Gradually add the dry ingredients and mix until everything is combined. Finally, stir in the chocolate chips. In a baking tray lined with parchment paper, scoop the cookie dough onto the tray, leaving a little space between each cookie. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit degree for 8 to 10 minutes, or you can follow the baking time on your chocolate chip package. My favorite baking tip: don't wait until the tops turn brown. When the bottom is nicely golden, but the tops are still pale and soft, it's time to take them out. They will continue baking as they cook, giving you soft, chewy chocolate cookies every time. Let them cool for a few minutes, then enjoy. They are perfect with glass of milk or packed for outings, or you can keep them in an airtight container for an easy grab and go snack all week. I hope this easy homemade chocolate cookie recipe makes snack time a little easier for you and your family. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next family friendly recipe. Until we meet again, have a great day. Bye.